Welcome back to Learning Solidity. In previous videos, we were talking about gas cost, gas limit, and also gas prices. So in this video, I'll try to explain these three terms so you can understand what gas does in Ethereum. This video will be more of explanation than coding. I'm not sure we'll write any code in this video. So we'll start with gas. What is gas? Gas is a unit that measures the amount of computational effort that it would take to execute certain operations like changing of the state variables, modifying state variables, and calling functions. Every single operation that takes part in the Ethereum blockchain takes some amount of gas. Gas is what is used to calculate the amount of fees that need to be paid to the network in order to execute such operation. So while looking for the best way to explain what a gas is, I came along a blog post on blockgeeks.com where they use an analogy, and I really loved it, so I would love to use it in this video. Link to the original post is in the description below. If you want to go on a road trip, you go to the station and specify how much gas you want to fill up your car with. And you pay the gas station the amount of gas you fill up in your car. So driving the car is the operation you want to execute, which can be calling a function or modifying a state variable. The gas you bought as well, then the gas station is a miner who mines your transaction. The money you pay is a miner fee or the transaction fee. So what is gas limit? In order for an execution to be done, the sender of the transaction must specify a gas limit before they submit it to the network. The gas limit is the maximum amount of gas the sender is willing to pay. So if I'm to call a function, I can specify a gas limit I want to pay, which is the maximum amount of gas I wish to pay for that function. The things to consider when specifying a gas limit is that different operations will have different gas costs. A function that modifies a single state variable will cost less gas than a function that modifies 5 state variables. Also, once the gas runs out, the transaction is stopped and then the state of the contract is reversed. So if I'm to specify, if you look at the contract here, this is the gas limit. So if I'm to specify 300 gas and I try deploying this contract, the gas runs out on the way, transaction will not be completed, but yet you still pay for the gas used. Also, if you specify a higher gas and the transaction runs and it could not use up all the gas you specified, you'll be refunded back the gas that you didn't use. So how do we convert this gas to Ether? Well, there is no fixed price to conversion. It is up to you as the sender of a transaction to specify the gas price, and it is up to the miner to verify this transaction. Usually the miners verify transaction based on those who specify higher gas price. Which brings us to gas price. What is the gas price? Gas price is the amount you specify to pay for a single gas used. So the default value is 2 gwei. I hope that's how they pronounce it. So the default value is 2 gwei. So 1 gwei is equal to, I think, 1 billion gwei, which is this, I guess. 1 gwei is equal to 1 billion gwei, and 1 Ether is equal to 1 quadrillion gwei. Let me just add this here, gwei. Default gas price is 2 gwei. If you should call a function with the default value and someone calls this transaction with maybe 50 gweis, the miners will pick the person that's paying 50 gwei over you. So your transaction will take more time to be mined, and those who pay higher will be mined quickly. The formula for transaction fee or miners fee is the gas used times the gas price. So let's say we have a function that charges us 100 gas. Maybe we modify the state of the variable and the charge for that operation we did is 100 gas. The gas used will be 100 times the price which we specified, and we said we are paying 10 gwei for each gas. It should be times the gas price, which is the 10 gwei. This should equal 1000 gwei, right? This is equal 1000 gwei, and 1000 gwei should be equal, this should be 1 billion gwei. We'll convert this 1 billion gwei to Ether to see how much it will charge us for 1000 gwei. There's an online converter for this, so I should just input 1000 gwei here. 1000. Yeah, this should be 1 billion gwei. And as you can see, we'll get charged 0.000001 Ether for this transaction. If the gas price is higher, your transaction will be mined faster, but to cost you much. So in summary, the formula for a transaction fee is the gas used times the gas price which is specified, and the gas is the limit of computation. So if you specify a gas of 3,000 to be used for a specific transaction and the transaction is going to cost 4,000, you'll get charged for the gas, but your transaction will not run to be reverted. But if you specified 3,000 and the transaction only costs 2,000, you'll be refunded back 1,000 gas. The gas price is the amount you wish to pay per gas. The higher the gas price, the lower wait time. The gas limit is the maximum gas you specified to be used. So that's my video on gas limit and gas price. In the next video, we're talking about calling other contracts and other contract functions. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.